We want to check in on today's Ask Kelly, where Kathleen Hensley wrote in wanting to know why Rogers doesn't check its tornado sirens as often as Bentonville. Well, here's what we were able to find out for you, Kathleen. Rogers, in fact, does test its tornado sirens the first week of every month. We talked to Keith Foster today at the Rogers Police Department. He says if it's a cloudy day, they'll delay the test until the next day and then the next and so on. They say if the weather stays bad for too long, they'll run a silent test on the sirens to make sure they are still receiving signal. So the horns will still turn, but they don't make any sound. So that may be why you don't hear it quite as often in Rogers as in Bentonville. If there's a question I can help get you the answer to, let me know. You can tweet me to the handle there on the screen or write in through Facebook if that's easier. And tune in, of course, every weeknight at 6 to see your answers.